Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a week in my wash and go again. I got the products that I use. So I had some build up. I want my hair to be clean, friend. I want it to be clean. So I did the build up booster by Gurlll. I have my mirror here, which is super bright. So I'm gonna pull that back so you guys can really see the products I'm holding. But yeah, I have this build up buster. And it has this little nozzle, and then I have the Wash Day Wonder that I use as well. I like this little combo together. This right here helped me detangle, and this was a great like shampoo, but I really wanted to get like a deep cleanse, so I just used these two in conjunction with each other for my cleanser. Then I went in with my deep conditioner. I actually skipped the detangling process because I detangle with that, so I just went in with my deep conditioner, and then I used the Gurlll Melt Into Moisture. This is not sponsored, by the way. I'm just telling you guys what I use. Gurlll is actually one of my favorite products. I use mostly Gurlll until I got to the styling portion, and then after that deep conditioner came out, I went ahead and used the Gurlll No Poo Decadence. This is the conditioner. I actually use this as a leave-in. I like using this as a leave-in. I mean, you can detangle with it as well, but they have other products that I feel like detangle better, but this just works really great as a leave-in for me. And if you need additional moisture, I did add a little bit of the As I Am double buttercream. I just really wanted to just kind of see how my hair would react because it really needed extra moisture. I actually didn't need to use this all over my head, but it did pair well with what I use because I did use it on this back section, and that part seems to be great too. So if you need extra moisture, this will be a good one. The double buttercream by As I Am, cool. But this is the combo. This is the combo. Y'all got stuff all on my face. Y'all gonna tell me? I did this little scrub thing. I was scrubbing my face, and it has these little beads in it, but the damn beads stayed. The cleanser gone, but the beads stayed. Why? Anyway, the combo. Y'all like, bitch, get to that combo. Get to that combo. I used two gels this time. I used the Orbe Curl Jelly. Y'all know this is expensive. This was my first time using this, but I really didn't trust this to really just like do it for me, you know. You guys know I love me some Style Factor Edge Booster. This is the pineapple scent. So I basically did a combo of the two, and that's what this wash and go was popping with. So these are the only two stylers, and I used the Gurlll No Poo as leave-in. I was just showing y'all what deep conditioners and shampoos and stuff I use to clean my hair as well. So right now I'm about to do my makeup, so I'm gonna do my makeup right quick, friend, and then I'll show you guys my hair and we'll take it down and see what's going on. I did have my hair in a pineapple, but my scarf came off in the middle of the night, so the pineapple ain't no pineapple no more. Girl, it's grapes and strawberries and all that kind of stuff. It ain't no pineapple. It ain't together like that no more. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm looking like, but first, this face. Okay, you guys, I'm done with my makeup, so now I'm gonna take my bunny off and get my hair together. I haven't done anything to my hair yet, so yeah, I'm gonna stretch this out, you guys, because it's really fresh out the wash and go, and it's kind of wet on this side, and it got a lot going on. So I'm gonna stretch it, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. So this is my hair all fluffed out. Y'all, I had to do this really quick because I gotta go. So we're just gonna say this is day one, and I got a middle part. Y'all know I don't mess with middle parts, but it does not look bad today. It actually looks good on me today. I think it's how I stretched it and the length that I did, and the fact that my bangs are asymmetrical, because if it's not, it looks a little weird. But yeah, it looks, y'all, my hair looks so good, so defined. Day one of the hair. I did my hair yesterday, and it looks so good. So I will show you guys how it looks tomorrow. Hi guys, I'm in my living room. Sky! I left Sky upstairs. She gonna have to jump off the chair to get down here, but let's see if she jumps off that chair. She's kind of scared. Sky! Come here! Sky, come here! She jumped. Hi, honey. Hey. Say hi to the people. Say I made it, Mom. I jumped by myself off that scary chair. Sit down. Sit down. Thank you. Good girl. But you guys, let's see what our hair's looking like. I wrapped it. This is how I wrapped it. I got this bonnet on, and this is a Glow by Day bonnet. I think I have a code in the description bar. And this is my hair, y'all. My hair was so cute yesterday. Well, you saw it, but it was so cute, wasn't it? Okay, so I'm gonna take this out and see what I'm working with. Shake, shake, shake it off. Shake, shake, shake it off. It smells so freaking good. It smells so fresh and so clean. And y'all know I don't wear middle parts. Y'all know I don't wear middle parts. Like, I hate middle parts. But now my middle part is working for my face. Well, yesterday it was. I don't plan on keeping it as a middle part. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make it as a bang. Like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and shape my hair. Oh, it's cracking, lacking, girl. What you doing? What you got to? Girl, I ain't got nothing going on. Not too much. I gotta go pick up a check, which I don't like leaving my house. I never leave my house, but today, picking up a check, so I gotta leave my house. This is actually why you see me in clothes, because I rarely have on clothes, okay? Just being honest. I stay in that damn bed and I be working unless I'm filming. Make sure you shake, 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 shake for your life. Shake for your life, sis. Shake for your life. I've been feeling down, baby. Trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel like I feel, baby, come on. Oh, come on. Whoo. Let's get it on. I don't know where that just came from. I felt like that concert needed to be had. I just don't want it to be silence while I'm doing this, but you guys know how to do this. Just separate your hair, girl, and fluff it and play with it. Don't be scared of it. Say play with it. Don't be scared of the curls. Don't be scared of the curls. Don't be scared of the curls. I said don't be. Don't be. We're getting somewhere. The more we do this, the more we're getting somewhere. Sky, are you feeling me right now? And see, today I'm not feeling this middle part. That's not attractive. So what Kim's gonna do is go make this attractive, and I'll be right back. I need a mirror, okay? I cannot just sit here in the camera and try to do this. I actually need to be up close and personal with my hair. This is my hair, completed. Actually went to get my check already, and I came back. But this is what my hair is looking like. I still love it though. Let me see if I can show y'all a closer curl. I'll show you guys tomorrow. What's up, you guys? So, I don't know what day it is on my hair. Honestly, I think it's day 4. Yesterday, I actually didn't show you guys an update because I never took my hair down. I stayed in the pineapple yesterday, and now I just shook my hair out today, and this is what it looks like. Now it is shrunken again because I literally only had it in that pineapple, and I got in the shower and all that kind of stuff, and when you do stuff like that, it really just shrinks back up. I am gonna go ahead and stretch this back out so I can get some more elongation, because I don't like how, you see how it's like uneven looking? It's because some parts are still stretched and some parts are. So I'm gonna go ahead and stretch it all out. Hi, you guys. So this is day 4, day 5. Listen, count at your own will, sir. But anyway, hair is on dry right now. I didn't use anything, y'all. Day 4 and day 5, I really get sick of like wrapping my hair and stuff, because I know I'm gonna wash it. This is my hair, y'all. It looks so dry, and I doubt I'm gonna wear it down. Like, I really don't think I'm gonna wear it down today. So I'm thinking I want to put some type of moisturizer on it. Oh my gosh, I'm ready to get another wash. You know what? Since I use the Orbe gel, I'm just gonna go ahead and use their freaking styling butter. I've never used it. See what it look like. Oh, it's thick. My hair needs some thickness, but it's gonna just sit on top. It's supposed to be on wet hair. I know it is. Y'all really think I be doing stuff? I have to practice, and it be trial and error for me too. I just have to do it without y'all looking, but in these videos, I'm gonna have to do it with y'all looking. That's just how I go. Okay, that made my hair feel soft, and it didn't leave anything white on my hair. Frizzy though. It did create some a lot of frizz. I got this one. This is like a band, headband, rubber band thing. I like to do it twice. You're just gonna see what's popping. And when I do my buns, I like for them to be right here on top of my head, just like that. Right on the top. All right, then I just pull all that hair out. Just like this. I'm gonna have to talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you guys like these videos, these week in my wash and goes. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what you want to see next, because I mean, I got some ideas, but I love to hear what y'all want me to do too. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Still, I haven't left you. I haven't left you. I haven't left you. I haven't left you.